Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to install Telegram Desktop on your Windows computer. First, open the Downloads folder on your computer. Inside this folder, find the Telegram Desktop setup file that you downloaded earlier. Now, double-click the setup file to start the installation process. The Telegram Desktop installation window will appear on your screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to continue. If you are asked to choose an installation location, you can keep the default location and click Next. Continue through the installation steps until you see the Install button. Click Install to begin installing Telegram Desktop on your computer. The installation process may take a few moments, so wait while Windows installs the application. Do not close the installation window during this process. Once the installation is complete, click the Finish button. Telegram Desktop is now successfully installed on your Windows computer. You can now open Telegram Desktop from the Start menu or from the desktop shortcut if one was created during installation. And that's it. You have successfully installed Telegram Desktop on your Windows computer. Thanks for watching.